Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about update document in MongoDB database. So first I'm going to use add here employee collection. So add here or let's refresh that. So total numbers of documents inside employees or collection is 15. So see add here 15 or document inside. Now here after I'm going to do some update operation inside employee. So at if you execute this query, so here you can find 15 documents and it has different different values inside. So at here for update, we need to write or db here after dot db dot the collection name employee. Now here after we need to use update. So update going to use now here after let's use bracket at this point bracket required. Now here after the next thing is here open and close curly braces and here inside double quote going to write emp number. So at here you can find emp number. So this emp number going to write and here I'm going to do update on EMP number. The value is 7499. So at here 7499 the value there. Now here after the next is comma and here after need curly braces one more and here going to use set. So at here set, so it should be in a small, so set. Now here after colon and here open and close bracket and inside in double quote going to write e name. So e name is there. So e name and here see all in capital letters. Going to write at this point e name in capital letter. Now here after let's give colon and here after see ename at here Molly. Molly is the ename. Now here after I'm going to do the update. So at here or writing at this point. So it's at here a string tab. So in double quote going to write on new Molly. Now here after close by semicolon. So if I execute to this query, so add here one ename that or will add with the name new Molly. So execute that. So add here. So first it match with one and here so it modified one. So there is no any. So one new Molly added. Now if you execute to or this query, now here after or let's scroll down. So here or see so ename is now modified. So it's displaying new Molly. So at here there is a EMP number, ename, job, MGR, sal, and your total value. It's all displaying. Now here the name is updated with new Molly. Now here after the next thing, so this is the query for update only one. So we can update multiple values. So if you take the cursor at this point, so here you can find update related things. So modify an exiting document or document in a collection. So it used to modify. Now here after let's copy that one and going to paste it down. And hereafter I'm going to do modification on multiple documents. So add here employee. Now hereafter so okay, so let's do modification. So this next I'm going to use add here EMP number 7521 add here 7521. So add here going to do the update on 7521 and here set colon. So add here EMP. So ename add here So what is the name at your word? So at your giving the name at this point word. So what I have given. Now hereafter I am going to add one more. So at your enum it's added. Now hereafter let's give at this point comma, and here in our double quote the next is at your AMP number. So at you're going to write at this point EMP number. So previously at your EMP number, so it's already EMP number has taken. So this is the condition update with the help of EMP number. Now let's search any other column at here. So going to do the modification on sal. So when that font at your sal, so at here when that font sal, now here after that do the modification. So at here the value is 1250. So this at here I'm going to do first column and do the modification. So I'm going to enter 1255. Okay, 1255. That will the value going to modify. Now if you execute at here, so let's execute that. So see at here, there is a one match that font, and here that modified at here one. Now let's check at here 7521. So at here 7521, take the cursor down. So at here see the name has been modified. The word was the name. Now the name new name is the new word. Now here after if you take the cursor down, so at here salary was 1250. Now it's modified by 1255. Here after we can do updating values by different way. So at here let's copy that one, and here, so here I'm going to do update. So let's just checking at here. So at here EMP number, the value is 7566. 7566 is the EMP number. Now here after going to do set on enum. So at here the name is John's. So at here giving at here name John's new, and here John's. So new John's the name, and here you can use at this point. Let's close that. So at here this is opening, and here closing. Now here after the next is so let's give at here say it hereafter. Let's give at this point comma, and here curly braces open, and here write multi. So it should be in a small letter multi, and here colon true. So multi colon true. Hereafter close that. Now hereafter let's execute this query. So add here one value is only updated. Now hereafter the one thing is, so I'm going to insert some duplicate values. So here there okay, this is the multi value. So it will more helpful when the document has many duplicate values. So then that will helpful. So here I'm going to insert some duplicate values. So here right click, or at here let's do one thing. I'm going to execute this query. Now here, so here I'm going to do some modification. Okay, let's go down. So there is the ename, and here, okay, here this is a 15, and here, so at here 15, at here the value is 7980, and here I'm going to do in 16 7980 7980. Now press enter. So see at here, so this is updated. Now here after execute that, here 15 and 16 has the same values. So see at here 16 and 15, so it has the 7980. Now if I give at here, So if I give at here 7980 and if I execute to this one, so at here you can find two match and two modified by using multi-value. Now here you can check. So at here 7980 multiple value. So this set at the name of with new Johns. Now execute here. So 15 and 16. So 15 7980 CC at here ename it's a new Johns, and here you can find in 16 new Johns to updated. Now suppose if I execute to this query without using multi here. So I'm going to do 7980 and here giving at here only Johns. The name is Johns 7980 and here set ename Johns. Now if you execute this query, so here you can find one. So only one matched and one modify. Now here after let's check that. So here if you scroll down here you can find Johns at here. So when that find 7980 first, so there that update here this is the second, so it's a not update. So this is the difference between multi option and without multi option. Now here after let's right click here after you can find update document. So which document here? So see at here multi. So if you select at here multi, that's true, then that will whenever that match. So like this when you give at here at this point to multi. So at this point if you give multi true and here if EMP number match, then whatever whenever they are match 7980, so whatever the names, so that update by Johns. So this is the use of multi here. And this is the query. So this is the default query. Here you have to give add to this point to any columns, and if the condition is match, then there that will update the other columns. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.